Hello, I'm Kaden Miazzoni, and today I'm going to be trying to teach you how to make an intro and to set it in your video. So, first, we'll need to go to I know that there's two intro things I know of that we can use. One is Panzoid and one is Render Forest. Because I want some variety, I'm going to go for Render Forest. Render Forest. So right here. I've been here before. Usually you'd click get started. I will click video. And you're automatically in. Except because I'm logged in. Okay. So you can click YouTube intros. And so you can look at something. So like newest. You might remember some of these. Right? So I'm just taking a look at all of these. You might remember this one. So as you can see, there's quite a lot here when it comes to logos. So we have, actually, I'm thinking, You know what? This one doesn't look bad. Actually, this one and this one, I might just leave it for this one. Let's click create now. And my logo here. So what that means is I'm going to go and File Explorer. Okay. Now this is in my quick access. So Okay, so I'm just going to go to my downloader, my downloads, and this should be in here. I'm going to search for it. Since all else failed when it comes to searching, I'm going to search up this company name. And I'll see you when it fully loads. Okay, it looks like I've found my file. I'm going to drag and drop it right here. Let's try this like this instead. There. Now let's X out. And there's no reason to have this tab open. Yeah, that's good. And my text is a Lightningcode. Save and close. So you wait for it to load. Ooh, that's interesting. And next. So these are two styles we can choose. VS this. I have a feeling that this looks good. Font we can check. But these are subscription plans. I'm just going to pick what it wants me to pick. And free preview. So now it'll fully load up my video, and let's see what has came in. And while this is going on here, I'm going to open another tab of Render Forest. And I'm going to do the same intro, except this time it'll be our outro. I want something like quick, so I think that this will look kind of good. Great. Now, upload. Go down here. Upload it. Oh wow, this one's big. I created many of my own icons and lightning code. Code and save and close. Cancel snapshot. And let's go to style. Oh wow, there's many styles. So green, blue, red, and purple. I think that looks good. No real reason to be here. I think gold looks good. Free preview. And I think our other one is ready. Yeah. So let's see what this. That doesn't look too bad for me. Now let's look at when this is fully exported. I'll show you what this looks like. And I have already recorded another thing, so let's wait for this to export, and I'll get back to you. Okay, it looks like it's fully done. Let's see what. That isn't too bad. So now I'm gonna download. I don't know what happened there. And let's see. So it looks like it's opening up something. Okay, so now that it looks like they're downloaded, I don't think I'll need these two tabs open or this browser open at all. So if you're on a Windows OS, Windows only, you should type in video editor. So right here. Now click new video project. And I'm gonna fully get it. I will name my video. Call it X. Okay. And it says my project library is empty. So this is what I just recorded. And I have this, which are both of our intros, which is the intro and our outro. Wow. Looks like I might have accidentally downloaded it quite a bit. Okay, so now that I've got this worked out, I'm gonna open file and I'm gonna see what these are. It looks like I might have forgot to download the pinpoint logo, and I'm going to go out come back in. It looks like output pre 17 is ours. Now we won't be needing this tab, nor this open. Okay, so this is going to be our intro. This is going to be our middle. And this is going to be our outro. Let's just see how this goes. Okay, not bad. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. So now let's finish video, export. Okay, now this is the final product. You can see. Okay. Come to think of it, I might use these intros and outros from this video too. Okay, so when this is downloaded, should be in the file system. If you go down, as you can see, this is our thing, and it is, sure enough, it is in the file system. I just checked. So that is pretty much all.